Okay, let's talk about clients and specifically how to get more of them. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Vonte here. Thanks for checking out the channel. And today we're going to be talking about 5 ways how to find more clients as an up-and-coming director. So let's get into it. Before we really get into it, I want to ask everybody to consider subscribing and make sure you hit the like button if you enjoy this video. But I want to go ahead and say tip number 1 in order how to get more clients is to have something to show. So you're going to have to do a little bit of free work. And it's going to seem weird because I'm giving you advice to say this is how you get clients, but this is really works. What really works, because you have to have something to show in order to get higher paying clients. And sometimes you have to work for free. Like you can do a real estate video for free, and then the next couple videos you do, you charge people for those videos, thus making that first one free. You just have to have something to show. And after you have something to show, now you can tell people that, hey, I can do this, and then you can get more clients that way. And it's been working for me that way, actually. Either work for free or work for something really cheap. If not for free, work for really cheap. It's gonna really go a long way for you, because now you have something to show in reference to say, hey, I can do this, and people normally like to see the result before they buy. Tip number 2, how to find more clients. For me, it's been working with hashtags and locations. So with hashtags and locations, I'm in the Modesto area, so I pretty much look up hashtag Modesto hip hop. And when I'm doing this, I'm scrolling around looking for more artists and whatnot that are in the area that maybe I can work with. And I found a lot of artists like this and connect. And all I did was, after that, I have my city in my bio, so that's something I would also advise for you too, to put your city or put your location that you're based out of in there, because artists are going to go to your page and say, who's this guy who just followed me, and then, oh, he's in the same area, and oh wow, he's doing some dope videos too, or pictures, or whatever you do. And you're going to find more clients that way, and hopefully connecting and just being a part of the community. And it's just a good way to network. And just remember, your network is your net worth, and it's going to help a lot. Okay, tip number 3 is second shooting and helping out other directors. And this is gonna seem simple, but it's really effective, because you don't have any experience and you don't know necessarily what you're doing per se. So when you're asking clients, you're trying to get clients and you're trying to get people to book you for music videos, you have no experience, you have nothing to show. So when you work with other directors, second shooting, helping them out, even if it's just helping out with lights, helping them carry stuff, maybe doing a couple pictures or doing the behind the scenes for them, that's going to really help you out, because now you're on set and you learn the process of shooting a music video, and you learn their way they do things. And so when you go shoot your own video, now you have their experience and their knowledge with yours now, and it's really going to help you out. And then also, the director that you work with, he can't do all the music videos. He's also not going to do everything that's thrown at him. So sometimes he's going to dish it out, say, hey, here, you can go ahead and do this one. That's not in my budget, but maybe you can do that. So that's a good way to do it. Second shooting is really going a long way. Tip number 4 is social media. So another one that might seem a little simple, but this is a good way to find more clients. And you just want to always look busy. Always look busy on social media. You pretty much want to always be posting your behind the scenes. You want to be posting when you're editing. You want to post these things on Instagram, like, as much as you can. If you want to try and get some good photos of yourself, like some crispy photos of you, because these things say a lot about you. Your Instagram is really like your business card nowadays, so you really need to keep that thing looking nice, so people, when they come to your page, because you never know when people are going to slide through your page and check you out, and you want to be prepared and look professional. And also make sure you just keep it clean too. Don't over clutter your feed, and if it does get a little too cluttered, just archive some of your things on Instagram, because it's going to make it look a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, and it's really going to help. But always look busy, and what's going to happen is, by looking busy all the time, you're going to be the guy that's the go-to guy now. You're always working. You want to always look like you're working. So social media is real important. Make sure you just post at least once a day, maybe twice a day, something on your story, or just post something. Stay active on social media every day. Post something. Challenge yourself to post something every day. And if you don't know what to post, go find somebody on Instagram that you really like. You like their page, and then find out why you like their page, and take little pieces of that from this page and little bits of that from that page and a little bit of this from that page, and then now you figure out this is how you want your page to look, this is how you want your image to look, and it's really going to help you out get more clients because you're going to look more professional, and you're going to always look busy, and people want to work with people who are always busy. Tip number 5 is you want to go to live events. You want to go to these shows that are in your area that maybe you don't go to, but you need to go out the house a little bit more and go to the bars or go to these places that are, you know, local, and you up and coming artists are in that area. You want to be where they're at. You know, you want to be pretty much introducing yourself to these people and let them know that you're in the area of service and you enjoy what they're doing too. And it means a lot for you to go out to their show and connect for people there, because when you're finding people in person and you're following them and like you guys connect, and it goes a lot further than if you follow them on Instagram and they never met you. And you're probably not going to really get the same interaction you would if you met them in person. So it's just really helpful to go to these events. I did an event like this before and actually just passed out business cards, and I met a lot of artists and I connected with a lot of people, and it ended up having me do more gigs, and I got more clients that way, and it was awesome. It worked out really cool. So just remember, sometimes you have to go out the house and just go to these events that are, you know, maybe you wouldn't want to do on your off time, but hey, you know, it's gonna work out in the end if you want to get more clients. And I'm assuming that's why you're watching this video, right? You need to get more clients, and hey, go to these events. That's a good tip. And so I told you guys I was gonna give you guys 5 tips, but this is my 6th tip. This is like just an extra one I want to throw out there. Is you always gotta kill it. Always kill it. It's super important to do so. Even if you're not getting paid what you think you should get paid, always kill it. It's important because you never know who's looking at your work, and everything leads into the next thing. Word of mouth is power. So just because you're not getting paid what you want, don't cut corners on the editing. Pay attention to it. It doesn't matter. Like, kill it anyways. You never know where things go. So I would say always kill it no matter what. It's super important, and you never know who's watching your videos that's going to get you to the next one, because if you kill that video that maybe was the, you know, $200 video, then next thing you know, you killed it and it looks really nice, so now you can charge more because you have something to show, and you just elevate from there. So just always kill it. That's my personal tip right there. So hey, that's it. I have 6 tips for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed them. Hopefully you guys can use some of these and apply some of them. If you have some more tips, hey, I would love to hear from you down in the comment section below. So that's pretty much it for this video. Consider subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.